Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to attempt to fix the AC actuators in my Mustang GT500.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. And I know it's not technically a supercar, but it is pretty badass. I like this car a lot. Believe it or not, I'm really enjoying driving this car around. It's a lot of fun. And it kind of brings me back to my roots, but it has a couple of issues that we still have to resolve on it, and one of them is that when you turn on the air conditioner, you get this wonderful click, 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 click sound, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's really obnoxious, and I think it's supposed to be easy to fix and actually not all that expensive. So my theory is that it's one of the AC actuators that controls the vents, you know, for like the floor versus the defroster or whatever. So we're going to get in there and try and fix that. So if you like this sort of content, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Check out our website, normalguyssupercar.com and ngsupercars.com. We do appreciate it when you guys can support us. All right, let me show you what's going on. Okay, YouTube, we are in the Mustang. And so I'm going to turn on, hear that? That's the sound. Yeah, that's the sound. We need to figure out what's going on. So I'm not exactly sure what that is. Apparently it's when you like turn on and off the air conditioner. So what I need to do is get into these side panels and figure out if it's on the left or right side, and then we can determine which is the specific thing that's actually causing the problem. If I turn on the AC, I think it's the defroster. Oh, there it is. It's the defroster vent. Okay. As soon as I click the defroster vent, it starts doing that. Okay, YouTube, so what I did was there is two actuators that are over here on the left side of that blower, and you really can't get the camera up in there to see it. It's extremely tight. And what I did is I just unplugged the first one, which I was praying that it would be because it looks like it's easier to get to. And no, that wasn't it. It's the other one. That's the lower one that's in a much tighter confined space. So I get to crawl under this horribly uncomfortable position and attempt to get that thing to unscrew and replace it. I think I might have a better solution. So I think the glove box is right in the way of that. So let's remove the glove box, and I think then we'll have much better access. And I think these are 6 millimeters. Okay, I lied. There's 7 millimeters. There's 7 millimeters. There's 4 of them. All right, look how much more room we have. So that guy right there that I'm lighting up is the actuator that's the problem. So what I did is I unplugged it, and it obviously doesn't click anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just unscrew those little 8 millimeters and get it out of there and replace it if we can. Let me tell you, YouTube, that sucked getting this out. So there's actually 3 bolts, and this one right here was just super annoying to get to. They are all 8 millimeter, so I was able to basically remove the top 2, these 2, reasonably easy, just using my little mini ratchet and an extension on the one, and then the other one you just didn't use any extension. And then this one, thankfully, was so loose I could just put the 8 millimeter socket on it and just hand do it, because there is no way to fit a ratchet in there, and even my super tiny little wrench couldn't even fit in there. And you can only get like a tiny little turn on it, and had to reposition your fingers. It took forever. So anyway, this is what's broken, and let's take a look at why. So here's your little actuator gears, and as you can see, the teeth are kind of missing on this one, and this one's all ground off. So there you go. There's your problem. So let's get a new one of these. All right, so just to show you what's going on here, watch. We turn on this. You can see it's moving. It's moving, and then it's gonna hit the edge and then start going click. See? There you go. There's your problem. All right, YouTube, I did some Google foo, and I can't find the actual Ford part anywhere in stock in town, but I found a knockoff brand doorman, and the part number is 604262. So we're gonna try and get that, and they actually have it in stock at AutoZone. So let's go and see if we can get it. All right, YouTube, we've got my Duralast 604262 knockoff replacement part. It was a whopping $20, something like 21.5 with tax. So out with the piece of crap and in with you. So let's get it in there and see if our clickety click goes away. Okay, YouTube, ready? Whoa, look, no clickety clicks. Oh, you can hear it even changing the position of the air vents. Ooh, it's working. Sweet. That's what I wanted. All right, YouTube, so not a terribly expensive fix, but it's pretty uncomfortable in a painted butt to get in there. Just very, very limited space. So hopefully you got some little tiny 8mm tools to get in there. Definitely take out the glove box to get in there. But again, just I hope you have small hands, or at least reasonably small hands. There you go, 20 bucks, all fixed, no more clickety clacks. And it actually can, like, you know, defrost and stuff now. That's a good thing, okay? So that's gonna do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool car stuff, so you're wanting to stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.